Good morning, sir. My name is Pooja Verma and I am pursuing MSc 4th semester from Department of Mathematics, Institute of Basic Science at Khandari campus, Agra. First of all, I want to say thanks to Professor Sanjeev sir who gave us this opportunity to learn MATLAB, and I want to say thanks Ashish sir who is guiding us and teaching us MATLAB. So I have prepared a PPT on MATLAB decision. So first I will give you a brief introduction about what is MATLAB and features of MATLAB. So let's begin. MATLAB name have extracted from Matrix Laboratory. MATLAB is a high-level technical computing language. What does it mean by high-level technical? It means it is a fourth generation computing language, and MATLAB shares interactive environment for solving problems, develop algorithm. We can also visualize data by plotting 2D, 3D graphs, and we can analyze the data and we can compute numeric problems. And MATLAB is developed by MathWorks and it was invented by Cleve Moeller in 1970s. Here are some features of MATLAB. So it is a high-level language for numerical computation, visualization and application development, and it also provides an interactive environment for iterative exploration, design and problem solving. MATLAB also provides us vast library of mathematical functions for linear algebra, statistics, Fourier analysis, filtering, optimization, numerical integration and ordinary differential equation. And MATLAB provides built-in graphics for visualizing data and tools for creating custom plots. MATLAB's programming interface gives development tools for improving code quality, maintainability and maximizing performance. It provides tools for building applications with custom graphic interfaces. And MATLAB provides functions for integrating MATLAB-based algorithms with external applications and languages like C, Java, .NET and Microsoft Excel. Now I will talk about MATLAB decision. So decision making structures require that a programmer should specify one or more conditions to be evaluated or tested by the program, along with a statement or statements to be executed if the condition is determined to be true, and optionally other statements to be executed if the condition is determined to be false. So here are some decision making statements. First is if and statements. So an if and statement consists of an if statement and a Boolean expression followed by one or more statements. It is delimited by the AND statement. And this is graphs on here. This is our condition. If the condition is true, then this conditional code will be displayed, and if the condition is false, then nothing will be displayed. And the syntax of if and statement is given here. So I have taken example, a simple example for if and statement. So first we will give command CLC for clearing the command window, and then x equals to 5. If x is greater than 4, then display yes, and so x is greater than 4, so it will be displayed in command window yes. Second is if else and statement. An if statement can be followed by an optional statement which executes when the expression is false. So the syntax for if else and statement is given here, and this is the graph shown here. This is our condition. If the condition is true, then this code will be displayed, and if the condition is false, then this code will be displayed. Here I have taken an example for if else and statement. So you need to give input as how old are you. If your age is greater than or equals to 18, it will be displayed you are eligible to vote, else it will be displayed you are not eligible to vote. Third is if, else and statement. An if statement can be followed by one or more optional else if and an else statement, which is very useful to test various conditions. So this is the syntax and this is the example. So you need to give an input as your number. How many puppies do you have? If your number is if your number is equals to 0, it will be displayed you have no puppies. Else if your number is greater than 1 and your number is less than 10, then it will be displayed you have some puppies. Else if your number is greater than 10, it will be displayed you have too many puppies. Else it will be displayed that's not enough puppies. Next is nested if statement. You can use one if or else if statement inside another if or else if statement. So the syntax is given here for nested if statement. So here I have taken an example. So you need to give input as age, how old are you, and practice years, how many years you have practiced. So here are two conditions. If age is greater than or equals to 18 and practice years are greater than or equals to 3, then it will be displayed you are eligible to apply, else it will be displayed you are not eligible. Switch statement. A switch block conditionally executes one set of statements from several choices. Each choice is covered by a case statement. So when a case is true, MATLAB executes the corresponding statements, and the otherwise block is optional and executes only when if no case is true. So here this is the syntax for switch statement and this is the example for switch statement. So you need to give input as X, enter a choice, 1 for playing cricket, 2 for playing hockey, 3 for playing football, 4 for playing tennis. So in case 1 it will be displayed you will play cricket, in case 2 it will be displayed you will play hockey, in case 3 it will be displayed you will play football, in case 4 it will be displayed you will play tennis, and in otherwise case it will be displayed enter choice is not valid. And the last is nested switch statements. You can use one switch statement inside another switch statements. So this is the syntax for nested switch statements and this is the example for nested switch statements. So you need to give an input as A, enter a choice, 1 for playing badminton, 2 for playing chess. B, input enter a choice, 1 for playing volleyball, 2 for playing golf. So if you choose A as 1, then it will be displayed you will play badminton, and in case B, if you enter 2, it will be displayed you will play golf. So the result will be in command window like you will play badminton and you will play golf. Thank you for your attention.